While in 1990, 1/3 of Europe's electricity came from nuclear, today it's only close to 15%. This reduction in the share of nuclear was a choice. And in hindsight, it was a strategic mistake for Europe to turn its back on a reliable, affordable source of low-emission power. But after years of declining investment, we need more to turn the tide. And this is why today we are presenting a new European strategy for small modular reactors as a Commission. Our goal is very simple. We want this new technology to be operational in Europe by the early 2030, so that it can play a key role alongside traditional nuclear reactors in a flexible, safe, and efficient energy system.